Diabetes is a very important comorbidity in your heart failure patients. Many of your diabetic patients will be having heart failure and many of your heart failure patients will be having diabetes. Does ARNI influence the effect on the heart failure differently for the diabetic and non-diabetic patients? That is one concern that you may have. And the other concern is whether the ARNI has a beneficial or a worsening effect on the diabetic status of the patient. So to answer this, let us go to my clinical experience. In my clinical experience, around 60% of my heart failure patients are diabetic, and this also reflects the Trivandrum heart failure registry, wherein 55% of the heart failure patients were diabetic. The Western studies reported a lesser proportion of heart failure patients to be diabetic. In the Western studies, only 30% of the heart failure patients were diabetic, but in India we see more number of heart failure patients are diabetic. There are other studies in which the prevalence of heart failure in the diabetic patients was studied. So in worldwide studies, the cardiovascular outcome trials for the SGLT2 inhibitors, they all showed that around 10 to 20% of the diabetic patients will develop heart failure. So as far as Indian data is concerned, heart failure patients in India, 50 to 60% of them will be diabetic, and the diabetic patients 10 to 15% or 20% will go on to develop heart failure or will be already having heart failure. Now the concern is whether ARNI gives the same benefit in the diabetic patients as the non-diabetic patients. And the Paradigm heart failure trial, the subset studies have shown that there is no difference between the outcomes of ARNI on the heart failure patient, whether the patient is diabetic or whether the patient is non-diabetic. So you can prescribe the ARNI irrespective of whether the patient is having diabetes or no diabetes, and you can expect the same benefit over and above enalapril if you give to both these groups of patient. Now, does ARNI worsen the diabetic status of the patient? So the answer is, in fact, contrary to the fears, ARNI improves the diabetic status of the patient. ARNI improves the blood flow to the muscle, exercise capacity, quality of life, and because of this, there is an improvement in the insulin resistance, and the blood glucose utilization is better. And this results in an improvement in the HbA1c of the patient. The Paradigm heart failure trial showed that the incidence of new onset of insulin therapy and the new requirement for the OHS was reduced in the ARNI arm as compared to the enalapril arm. So the ARNI has a beneficial effect in preventing the worsening of diabetes in the heart failure patient.